Hey guys, Pop Scrap here. Let's make the video for you today. I know the lighting is not the best in the side room, but you know where I'm at. I've just boxed of copper and brass here I want to go through and sort out. So I'm just putting together my vise on the ground and go mounting it to the bench today. So I want to show you what I'm going to do now, separating the copper and brass. Now you won't hear much out of me, you'll hear this going, but enjoy guys. See you soon. It adds up very quick guys, very quick. A lot of money here in this stuff. Take my time at this guys. Don't want to have to slip or cut myself or anything. This thing is all brass, so it's good money in this. I rang up about the scrap prices there the last day, and copper is going at the minute now $3.60 a kilo, and brass is going at $2.40 a kilo. But prices are very low. Just keep adding it up guys. Money in the bank guys, money in the bank. It's an element, this is all copper element, so I want to cut it as close to the edge I can. There's a band of copper there. Oh, this is copper. Keep going. sec guys, I'm going to test this. Yeah, it's all copper. Pretty good. As I said again, guys, I'm very sorry about the light. It's not the best, but it's what I have to do with. Well, you know where I'm coming from, guys. I'll show you after in the roundup what I've got. So, just pause you here for a minute.